Swimming ka na.
Sige na, you practice. Okay. So mababaw lang ang swimming pool, kayang-kaya ng mga bata. Even though walang lifeguard, no? Okay lang. At least mababaw lang yung water. So maganda siya, magandang swimming pool kasi mababaw lang. Okay? Yan. Malaking area, no? Part of the UP Techno-Hub. So kagabi naglakad-lakad kami diyan. Naghanap ng makainan. Malaki siya, malaki. Okay, Gold, you practice. May I see your swimming?
One, two,
Come on.
three.
Dali.
Guys, help me.
So malaki ito, no? Microtel UP Techno-Hub. I think is part of Balara, Quezon City, no? Medyo may kalayuan siya kasi we are coming from Taguig. Medyo malayo. So dito natin na pili para mag-staycation. Minsan kasi bigyan natin ng kasayahan or day off yung live natin para magiging okay naman, magiging maginhawa at masaya. So enjoy lang tayo dahil yan ay dapat maranasan ng buhay natin kasi life is too short nga. So habang nabubuhay, let's enjoy life. Let's do some adventurous, no? To go other places. Yung panganay ko marunong nang maglangoy kahit ilang feet, no? Kayang-kaya na, sinasabayan na. Yung bunso ko lang hindi pagaan. Okay.